Hello guys, welcome back to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to add YouTube video into a playlist whereby you can watch it automatically even while you sleep. So we are going to be using my channel as an example. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome, and if you're returning subscribers, thank you very much and welcome once again. So I'm going to be using my channel as an example. If you want to watch 2 hours video on someone's channel, and let's say the person doesn't have an hour video or doesn't have 2 hours video, but the person have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes or thereabouts. So what you will do now is to calculate the number of minutes he has on the video you're going to be adding to the playlist. So let's do the maths. As you can see right here now, we're going to be adding them with our calculator before we start doing everything. So the first one here is 7 minutes 26 seconds plus 6 minutes 53 seconds plus 6 minutes 46 seconds plus 5 minutes 06 seconds plus 5 minutes 37 seconds plus 7 minutes 34 seconds plus 8 minutes 19 seconds plus 6 minutes 53 seconds plus 5 minutes 01 seconds plus 8 minutes 13 seconds plus 9 minutes 04 seconds plus 8 minutes 20 seconds plus 7 minutes 14 seconds plus 8 minutes 35 seconds plus 9 minutes. Alright, as we added this 9 minutes now, it is now 120 minutes 48 seconds. So this is 2 hours. So you're going to be adding from the top video to this video that has 9.08 seconds into a playlist to make it 2 hours. So let's add it up now to a playlist. Alright, so this is where it ended at 2 hours 9.08. So you click on this 3/ that is close to the video, that is on the video. Once you click on it, you click on save to playlist. You allow it to load up a bit. So now you create your playlist, you give it a title. Let's say you name it okay, let me name it DGA Tech. So after naming it, you click on create. Alright, your playlist has been created. So you click on that 3/ again. Then you click on save to playlist. Then you add it to the playlist you just created, DGA Tech. Then you go to the next one again. You still add to playlist. Do the same thing. Done. You go to the next one, add it to playlist. And that's how you're going to add all the videos you just calculated into that playlist. So I'm going to fast forward this video now till when I've added everything to the playlist. Alright, now I have added everything to the playlist to make it 2 hours. So to find that playlist, you click on library, which is below here. Once you click on that library, it will show you the playlist. So this is the playlist. I named it DGA Tech, and we have 14 videos there that makes the 2 hours. So I click on it. So what you are going to do now is you click on play all. Once you click on play all, the video is going to play from the first one. Once the first one finish playing, it will move automatically to the next one and still move to the next one when the other one has finished playing. So after you click on play all, you can set an alarm on your phone to wake you up after 2 hours so that you can shut down your phone, then go back to sleep. So you don't need to be awake to be monitoring or clicking it one by one, to be doing it manually. That one is stressful, and you just be watching the video. But you can still watch the video if you are interested in the video, but if you're not, you can just do it like this and it will play automatically till the end of the video. So this is how you can be able to add a YouTube video into a playlist and watch it automatically even while you are asleep. If you learned something from this video, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and drop a nice comment down below to encourage us to do more. See you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.